Welcome to SRPL Group. Today we have been planning for a big dispatch for our company, and we have been making a dual high base profile, and this is one of the components used for structure which is used for solar racking system. So I'm going to tell you all the components which have been used to assemble the dual high base extension profile. So I'll show you this. There are multiple components which are used in assembling of dual high base. First component is called as high base leg profile. This is high base leg profile. This is the second component, which is called as base support. The length of this support is 262 length. These are the two supports which are needed. This is the third support, which is called as high base leg profile. This is the fourth support, which is called as high base leg profile again. Profile is this. This is called as high base extension profile. These are the pop rivets. These are the pop rivets. This is another support, which is again called as high base crown. Dual high base crown. These are the fittings which are required to assemble the product. These are the nuts, some washers, again some screw. These are called as rivet nut. So now let's start the assembly. So guys, let's start the assembly. First we are going to use these two profiles. These are the base support. This is the high base crown, and this is the last procedure. And our profile is ready. This is the whole assembly of a dual high base. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.